If Samsung keeps to its usual playbook, which as a matter of fact they will, then we're expecting the Galaxy S26 lineup to officially drop in January 2026. But even though we're still months away, we're already getting some juicy leaks about the base and Ultra model, and honestly, it looks like Samsung is finally giving the entry-level series phone a bit more love. According to well-known tipster Digital Chat Station, the standard Galaxy S26 will come with a 6.27-inch display and a 4300 mAh battery. For context, the current Galaxy S25 only has a 6.2-inch screen and a 4000 mAh battery specs that actually carried over unchanged from the S24 before it. So yeah, it's been a while since the regular series got a bump in battery capacity, and even if real-world endurance depends on more than just raw numbers, a bigger battery is never a bad thing. This leak was also backed up by another reliable source who mentioned that Samsung might actually call the base model the Galaxy S26 Pro. That lines up with earlier rumors suggesting that even the Plus line might be going away too. So if that's true, next year we could be looking at a Galaxy S26 Pro, a Galaxy S26 Edge, and of course, the Galaxy S26 Ultra as Samsung's main flagships. Now, as always, the Ultra is where the biggest upgrades are happening. The most exciting leak so far comes from Ice Universe, who claims that the Galaxy S26 Ultra's main camera will capture 47% more light than the S25 Ultra. That's despite sticking with the same 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor, because the real change would be a wider f1.4 aperture. More light hitting the sensor means more detail, less noise, and a big boost in low-light photography. If true, this could be the most meaningful camera jump Samsung has made in years. On top of that, the S26 Ultra is said to keep its 5000 mAh battery but upgrade to 60 watts fast charging. That's a step up from the 45 watts charging on the S25 Ultra. According to leaks, Samsung's conservative estimates say it could hit 75 to 80% in just half an hour, but realistically, it might actually be closer to 90% in that time. If that pans out, that's going to feel like a major quality of life improvement over last year's model. Of course, as with all leaks, take this with a pinch of salt, because specs and features can change before launch. But what's clear is that Samsung is preparing some meaningful upgrades across the lineup, and with the Pixel 10 series already announced, the competition for best Android phone is heating up fast. So what do you think? Does the S26 Ultra sound like a worthy upgrade, or are you more interested in the rumored Pro and Edge models? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to stay ahead on daily Samsung news and updates, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.